ओके वीडियो तो बना ली, अब साफ कौन करेगा? ऑब्वियसली मैं ही करूँगी. सो लेट मी जस्ट क्लियर इट अप क्विकली. One, two, three. This is my bag. I'm not acting. It is genuinely very heavy. If you have seen my Myntra haul, then you know मैंने उसके अंदर अपना पूरा दुख बताया था कि I am literally pissed off with one shoulder bags because I have a hell lot of stuff in my bag. So talking about this backpack, this one is from the brand Labi. If you have seen my last haul, end of season sale, I got this one from Myntra, end of season sale at a steal price. The original MRP was 5,000. I got it for rupees 1,600 something. So I think a steal deal because it is really spacious. It has all those kind of pockets that I want, and it has all those kind of things. The compartments are really spacious and perfect for me. It's been more than 2 weeks now I'm carrying this backpack, so I think it's the right time to share what is in my bag. So number one are hankies. Yeah, I just got over with my cold, fever, zukham, running nose, so I literally want lots of hankies. Next I have wipes. Okay, so wet wipes are like really necessary now. These are from the brand Wicklens. These are multi-use wipes from them. So these are really amazing. If you follow me on Instagram, I have done a whole review on the whole range. They have wipes for mosquito repellent wipes, they have facial wipes, they have makeup removal wipes, they have wipes for your intimate areas also. So this brand makes the best wipes. Like literally मेरे पास अभी तक reviews के लिए काफ़ी तरह के wipes आए हैं brands के, but this one is genuinely amazing. These are literally very wet, the quality is amazing, and also these are paraben free, these are alcohol free, and these are really affordable. Like this is really slim packet, you can carry it in even in your sling bag, backpack, anywhere. These are sleek and काफ़ी ज़्यादा तारीफ कर दी. Also I will link all the products in the description box. So before commenting कि ये कहाँ मिलेगा, please check the description box. You will find all links. So next is a sanitizer. Lots of hygiene product in my front pocket because आपको कभी आप कुछ खा रहे होते हो या फिर कुछ भी आप एकदम लेते हो, your hygiene product should be more reachable to you, so it should be in your front pocket. So this one is Herbal Strategy hand sanitizer. Next I have is cough syrups. Again मैंने बताया था ना बुखार वाला टाइम चल रहा है, but I also have sore throat. Next is a snap. So if you have seen my latest post on Instagram, I posted with this snap. So these snaps are from the brand Snap Store. They print amazing quality snaps. You just give them the pictures, pay them via the application that they have, and they send you these kind of snaps. Are we done? No. You have capsule compressed tissues. Yeah, I think I use them in my college, and my friends were like, oh my god, what are these? I thought people know about it till now, but yeah, these are amazing technology जिसने भी invent किया है, really amazing. So these are compressed tissues. You just put a little bit of water on them, they soak up the water, they get enlarged, and a whole big tissue comes out of this small capsule, and you can use it anywhere on your face, on your body, and really handy. You don't need to carry huge packets of tissue paper or wet tissues if you can't. These capsules are enough for it. And so my front compartment is done. Now coming to the side way, I don't have anything on the side pockets. I usually just put any kind of like whatever I need to dump, like tissue paper, some toffee. स्वच्छ भारत अभियान ऐसे इधर उधर नहीं फेंकना चाहिए. मेक साइड पॉकेट फॉर दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. नाउ ओपनिंग द मेन थिंग जो हमारे बैग के अंदर है, द मेन कंपार्टमेंट. सो नंबर वन थिंग दैट कम इन माई हैंड इज my notepad. Obviously you can't go to your college without your notepad, so this is my notepad. Next is a water bottle, और मैंने आज पानी नहीं पिया है. Guilty AF. Keep your body hydrated. Winters में कम पानी पीती हूँ, which is really bad. पानी पीना चाहिए. So this is from Club Factory. If you have seen my very old Club Factory haul, you will know काफ़ी अच्छे प्राइस पे थी. तब I guess मैंने 100 रुपीज़ समथिंग की ली थी. अब तो पता नहीं एक्सपेंसिव हो गई because Club Factory is really expensive now. But this one is really amazing. The quality is amazing. It has inner rubber on it, so it never ever leaks, and it looks cute. Next are my sunglasses. Yes, you can't step out of your house without sunglasses, especially if you are wearing lenses. Like today I'm wearing my lenses, so I make sure I carry my sunglasses. So the case is from Fast Track, but the sunglasses are from American Eagle. Yeah, it came just like this. They don't give you any kind of pouch, which is bad. I don't know why when you really buy sunglasses from a high-end brand and they don't offer you pouch or kind of case, which is really bad. But so American Eagle just launched in India. I am not sure if sunglasses are available or not. One of my dearest friend got this from Dubai and it suits me so well. These are reflectors are really in trend right now. And yeah, and also these are UV protection, 100% UV protection for these pockets. So I have these two small pockets for keeping small kind of stuff. I have a pen, obviously. Then I have a moisturizer from Nivea. Sometimes I leave the house without moisturizing my hands, and in the bus or metro I see my hands, they are looking very dull and tired, so I just sanitize them and apply this moisturizer and my hands are good to go and less ugly. My hands are really dry, I don't know why. This is my wallet. I got this one from Gafar, a shop in Gafar. He sold me for 200 rupees and I think it was a steal deal. It is really spacious. It has a coin pouch thing right here. You can pour in any coins, rupees, and I have picture of me and my parents and normal cards and money. Hashtag TMI, too much information about my wallet. So next thing from this compartment is, oh, these are shine control tissues. These are like a boon, especially in summers. Like winters mein to fir bhi chal jata hai, but in summers, if you are like a grease ball like me, I am really oily skin tone kind of person. My skin type is really oily. So these are from the brand QVS. I got these ones from New You. New You stores are in various malls. So these are like these sweat absorbent tissues. You just pull it out and it looks like this, and these tissues literally absorb your sweat. You put it on your nose, on your T-zone. And one of the best thing about these tissue is they don't remove your makeup or any kind of product that is on your face. They just absorb the excess oil, so it is amazing. Whenever during the summer especially, I use them to pat dry all the oil on my face, and then I use a compact to touch up my face. These are really amazing. Like अभी आप देख सकते हैं, मैंने हल्का सा इसको डैप किया अपनी nose पे, and I hope the oil is visible. Look at it. So it literally sucks all the oil from your face. Next I have again capsule tissues, a lot of them. Then next I have this lens case, but it doesn't have my lens. I have, if you have seen the code word, I have written FNC. So F is for foundation. I have foundation on one side and cleansing lotion on one side. Why? Because whenever I go out, for example, sometimes I want to remove the old makeup. Like अगर मैं सुबह makeup करके निकली या फिर मुझे शाम को touch up करना हो, I use the cleanser, remove the old makeup, and then I touch up with a new foundation. And sometimes if I want to build a coverage, if I want to hide the dark spots, I'm going to a party or something from college directly. So these kind of hack is amazing. You don't need to carry huge bottle of foundation, cleanser, anything. Like you can put your hand cream in it as well. Then next is, oh, again a very amazing thing. If you have seen my AliExpress haul, then you will know. मैंने उसके अंदर बताया था कि मैं इसका ट्रायल दूंगी. मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे वीडियो भी डाली थी. So these are basically portable perfume bottles. What they do is they have like hole kind of thing right here. So आपके जनरली परफ्यूम्स के अंदर पाइप होता है. आप जब उसको ऊपर के कवर को हटाएंगे, उसके अंदर नीचे पाइप होता है. You put it inside that pipe. आप उसके ऊपर प्लेस करेंगे, आप उसको पुश करेंगे बार बार, तो आपको जो भी परफ्यूम होगा वो इसके अंदर आ जाएगा, ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा. यू कैन सी दे हैव द लेवल काइंड ऑफ थिंग. आपको दिख रहा होगा इसके अंदर हाफ अभी है परफ्यूम, and then you can use it anywhere, anytime. It is really handy. And one of the best thing is क्योंकि छोटे जो compact perfumes आते हैं, they are really bad. Like I have one pocket perfume. It is so pathetic, I can't tell you. And big perfumes are really hard to carry. So for them, it is really amazing. It only costs for rupees 80-90 on AliExpress. Next is पेपर सोप. ओके, आई थिंक पार्ले जी के बाद जिसकी पैकेजिंग अभी तक नहीं बदली है, हैंड्स डाउन बफिन सोप्स. Like since childhood I'm using these soaps and the packaging is still the same, the fragrance is still the same. आप कभी कभी पब्लिक टॉयलेट्स वगैरह में जाते हैं, दे डोंट हैव सोप्स, या फिर नॉर्मली भी कॉलेज के वॉशरूम में कभी कभी सोप्स नहीं होते. सो डू कैरी दीज. आई होप यू आर नॉट टायर्ड बिकॉज काफ़ी सारा सामान अभी भी है. आई हैव टिक टैक्स या रैंडम क्लिप्स. क्लिप्स आर वेरी नेसेसरी. Then next, finally, some makeup stuff. I have my Palmer's lip balm. Already raved a lot about this one. One of my favorite one. Then next, I have the LED lipstick, and oh my god, I'm loving this one. These only cost for ₹100, and these are so moisturizing. Like, I have literally really tapped kind of lips, and this shade is really amazing. This one is P21 Pink Kiss. It is really amazing. It gives you a nice pinky touch to your lips. It makes your lips hydrated. You just layer on a little bit of lip balm and you're good to go. Chewing gum, again, oral hygiene is important. Next is Be Safe, again a really important thing. Public toilets ho, college ke washrooms ho, really important. This is a spray kind of thing for your toilet seat. You just spray it on the toilet seat and it makes it, it's like a sanitizer for your toilet seat. Sunscreen is important, but still it is not something which can completely protect you from sun. So always make sure to wrap your face around whenever you are out in the sun, and it also kind of protects you from like pollution or yeah. Then I have 100 rupees. ये कहाँ से निकले यार? Oh my god, lottery! I got 100 rupees. Next, so it also has a separate compartment. I hope you can see it has another separate compartment. So I have tissue papers. Again, a must have. कभी कभी handkerchief भूल जाते हैं, so tissue paper must have. And next I have a comb, simple tooth वाला comb. I don't use brushes in my bag because brushes are like, I don't know, उनके अंदर बाल वगैरह फंस जाते हैं. They capture more dirt and I don't know. I hate carrying brushes in my bag, so I always carry these kind of tooth comb. Partition के लिए जो दिया हुआ उसके अंदर भी एक सेंटर में एक zip है. Let's see उसके अंदर मैंने क्या डाला हुआ है. Even I don't remember. Sanitary napkin, yes. You never know when those days arrive. So next is again a fan. Yeah, I think my earlier college friends used to make fun of me, but this was really handy. जब वो सब गर्मी में बैठे होते थे ना, then I used to laugh on them using this one. So this is like a fan. It opens like this and it is really amazing. It gives such nice breeze, especially in summers if you are like pissed with sun and hot weather. This is really handy. It packs really well and yeah, you're good to go. I have a brush. In summers I carry compact. मैंने अभी कोई compact carry नहीं किया because winters में इतना ज़्यादा sweaty नहीं होता मेरा face. But whenever I carry compact, I use it with this brush. I always just swirl it out in my compact and use it. I have the plastic as well because ऐसे नहीं रख सकते, unhygienic होगा. So yeah, back hidden pocket जो हर bag में होती है इसके अंदर. Again, I have my college iCard, I have my college library card, then some random cards. So this is it about the inside thing. पूरा खाली हो गया है. Now moving on to the back pocket. इसके अंदर usually मैं अपनी change रखती हूँ for bus and metro. I have my metro card. Again a bus ticket random. Then I have some change, my house keys, and yeah, that is it about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. I literally मैंने अपना पूरा bag साफ कर दिया thanks to this YouTube video. And as you can see, काफ़ी ज़्यादा clutter. Let me shift it. Yes, I hope you can see. So this is everything I carry in my backpack. I hope this video will be helpful for you because काफ़ी चीज़ें होती हैं जो हमें नहीं पता होती क्या carry करनी है. And sorry थोड़ी लंबी हो गई हो तो I hope मैंने आप सबको पकाया नहीं होगा. Also comment down below आप इसके अलावा कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो अपने बैग में carry करते हो, anything different than this one or anything common that you also carry in your backpack. Do share it with me and comment down below what all you want to see in future, any kind of request that you have for my videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, red subscribe button. Share this video with your best friends. Like this video if you genuinely found it helpful or if you loved it, and follow me on Instagram. I'll mention all the links down below on Instagram of my Instagram store. I also have my Instagram store. You can follow me there. You can buy stuff if you want. And that is it for today's video. Bye bye. Bye bye from Bagbati. Bye bye.